Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. The Honorable Examiners, first of all let me introduce myself. My name is Iva Kurniati, I'm from Accounting Program. In this lovely morning, I would like to thank for the opportunity that has been given to me to present my proposal with the title Preparation Cash Flow Statement for Primkopat Kartika C04 Kodim 0715 Kendal in 2020. In this presentation, I will split it into three chapters, that is Introduction, Literature Review, and Methodology. In the first chapter, there is Introduction, about background of the study. Financial statements are reports that contain information about the financial condition of an entity in a certain period. According to Financial Accounting Standard Number 1, the complete financial statements are consisting of balance sheet, comprehensive income statement, capital statement, cash flow statement, and notes of financial statement. Cash flow statement is one of the important components in financial reporting because it contains information about a company's cash flow in one period. However, there are still entities that have not prepared a cash flow statement. One of them are cooperative. Then Primkopat Kartika Kodim Kendal is cooperative formed by the military, army, and civil servants located in Kendal Regency. During operating years, Primkopat Kartika Kodim Kendal only compiled a balance sheet and a report on business result or income statement. Therefore, I make this research to know the ability of cooperative to earn and spend cash. Based on that previous explanation, the problem that can be formulated is how to prepare a cash flow statement and how to calculate free cash flow at Primkopat Kartika Kodim Kendal in 2020. And from that, the purpose of the study is prepare cash flow statement of Primkopat Kartika Kodim Kendal for the year ended December 31, 2020. And calculating free cash flow of Primkopat Kartika Kodim Kendal in 2020. There is benefit of the study. Add knowledge and insight regarding the preparation of cash flow statement in accordance with the standard. And the second, assist Primkopat Kartika Kodim Kendal in compiling the cash flow statement in 2020 as well as material for consideration in the preparation of the next periods. And the third can be in use as an additional reference for a library of Semarang State of Polytechnic. Next is second chapter about literature review. According to Martani, the cash flow statement shows details of the origins of change in the entity's beginning cash balance and ending cash balance, which can be read in the comparative statement of financial position. Cash flow statement consists of three parts: operating activities, investing activities, and financing activities. In preparing cash flow statement, there are several sources of information are needed. As stated by Martani, there are three types of financial reports that must be available. First is comparative balance sheet, the second is income statement, and the third is specific transaction data. According to Chieso et al., the steps to prepare cash flow statement is determine cash change, then determine net cash flow from operating activities, and next determine net cash flow from investing and financing activities. Okay, we are going to the third chapter. There are two classifications of data. The first one is quantitative data that consists of financial statement in the form of general information on cooperative, a comparative balance sheet, business result calculation reports, and selected transaction data. The second is qualitative data. It consists of overview, organizational structure, and a description of the organizational structure of the Primkopat Kartika Kodim Kendal. In this research, I used interview and documentation as the data collecting method. Interviews were conducted with cooperative employees to obtain clear and complete information covering the history of Primkopat Kartika Kodim Kendal, and to the accounting department to obtain information about finance, cooperative operations, and transactions during 2020. The documents that will be used in this research are financial statement of Primkopat Kartika Kodim Kendal, a list of fixed assets, and selected financial data in 2020. The next is writing technique. I use description technique to present an overview and organizational structure of Permkopat Kartika Kodim Kendal, and I use exposition technique in presenting the required data, explaining the calculation in the preparation cash flow statement at Permkopat Kartika Kodim Kendal in 2020. Okay, I have presented all the content of my presentation from chapter 1 until chapter 3. That's all about my presentation. Thank you very much for your nice attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.